Let's look at the Open in QuarkXPress feature of IDMarkz. This does require QuarkXPress 2019 or Quark 2018 with the experimental IDML import extension. So I have a document open here in IDMarkz. I simply click on the Open in Quark. This will fire up QuarkXPress if it's loaded on my system. Open up the Quark IDML import dialog. I click OK. Quark will now convert the IDML file to QuarkXPress. And now the file is open in QuarkXPress. So I've just converted my InDesign file to QuarkXPress 2019. The file in Quark, I can edit colors, I can add or edit text, and I can go and also, if I want to, I can replace images. Save the file out, and now you have a QuarkXPress 2019 file that was converted from your InDesign file.